Hello everyone, Omar32 here. Today I've got my new unboxing of my new video camera. This is the BenQ M1. It's full HD video camera. It has a touchscreen with 5x digital zoom. It supports EIS, which is for the motion stability or the image stability. It supports HDMI. Let me just focus. As you can see right there, supports HDMI, 1080p, EIS, 10 megapixel cameras, 10 megapixel still images, and 5x optical zoom. So let me look at it from the back. There, let me focus again. So with the 10 megapixel CMOS lens, it has 5x optical zoom, 10x digital zoom. It has a video resolution of high quality, which is supposed to be HD, full HD. It supports 1080p at 30 frames per second, 720p at 60 frames per second, and 720p at 30 frames per second, and regular web or standard resolution of DVD with 60 frames per second. Also, it has a 3-inch TFT LCD with a touch panel. It takes still images with a resolution of 3264 by 1840 and a bunch of other resolutions. It has a file format of still image JPEG and video AVI with a codec H.264. It has TV output of HDMI and TSC PAL dual display when TV out. Storage is SDHC and supports up to 32 gigabytes. The Li-ion battery is for 90 minutes of video recording or 300 pieces still images. This side, thank you. Let me just focus again. Okay, so HDMI, 1080p, EIS, 10 megapixel still images, and 5x optical zoom. This is the picture of it. Let me see what's here on the side. I don't know what's that, and it's made in China. So let me adjust the camera and I'll zoom a little bit. So let me cut it open right here. Oh, what's that? So let's see what's in here. Something written in Turkish. User's manual, which is written in a bunch of other languages, which is yeah, I think only Taiwanese and English. Addendum to the user's manual, and also Taiwanese and English. A Camcorder user manual on this disc. And the camera itself, as you can see right there. Let me put it just aside for a minute to check what accessories they got. They include this battery pack, which is supposed to be charged out of the camera. So, here is a USB cable, type B A to B or B to A. Battery charger, battery dock charger, and this is the power adapter, power plug, and AV cable. That's an AV cable. They don't include an HDMI cable with this camera, but I thought they should. And here's the camera itself. Wow. Okay, so here's the camera itself with the hand strap. This is the record button, and let me just adjust the camera and zoom a little bit, adjust my focus. It's the last time I'm shooting videos with this camera, so bye bye to this camera. It has served me well. So as you can see, the texture on this camera, as you can see right there, with some funky vinyls. Okay, so under here got HDMI, mini HDMI port and Type B USB. This is record button. Open the screen. This touch screen. This is my camera. This is the Sony WSC10. Get you the box. This is it. I have the black one, as you can see from the reflection right there. Hey everyone, long time no see. And here are the mode button, alright, pre-record button, power button, and this is the, I think, the brightness or the shooting mode for the white balance. Yeah, the white balance. The camera swivels 180 degrees and 90 degrees this way. You can make it like this, so I can watch myself doing whatever I want. Then on the top right there, zoom, and I'll show you the finish on this camera. It's a pretty nice finish, and it supports HDMI and an SD card. It's like a brushed white or dark white finish. Has 5 times optical zoom. This is the flash. Sorry guys, my battery just died on me on my camera, on my digital camera, so I was at the flash. So this is the lens cover. You can see right there. So I didn't say, but this has nice black finish on the inside too. So let me just do this quickly because my camera will die soon again. Here, put the SD card and the battery pack, and here plug the DC in or the AV out. So this was my unboxing of my new camera. With all what it comes with. So thanks for watching everyone. This was Omar32. Subscribe for more videos. Now videos will come in HD. Peace.